Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the second part of a list of awesome games that will help you improve your design skills. Stay tuned until the end, because I have a surprise for you. Without further ado, let's get started. As designers, I am sure we all know how stressful it is to use one of the most powerful tools in design, which is the Bezier curve tool. Thankfully, there is a game that can help you master the tool. The Thezier Game is a game designed to help users learn how to use the Bezier curve tool in any design software. The game consists of a series of levels, each of which presents you with a shape that you must recreate using the Bezier curve tool. As you progress through the levels, the shapes become more complex, requiring you to use more advanced techniques with the Bezier curve tool. The game is well designed and easy to use, and the levels are challenging enough to keep you interested. The Bezier Game is a great resource for anyone who wants to improve their skills with the Bezier curve tool. Unsee is a fun and challenging game that tests your attention to detail. It presents you with two versions of a design. Your job is to select the design that is most correct. The designs are very similar, so you'll need to pay close attention to the details to find the differences. The game is well designed and easy to use, and the levels are challenging enough to keep you interested. Unsee is a great resource for anyone who wants to improve their attention to detail. The Triangle Game is an interactive learning game that helps you sharpen your paragraph shaping skills. The game is based on the theory that a perfect triangle is an equilateral triangle. In this theory, font size is represented by the left side of the triangle, line height by the right side, and line length by the hypotenuse. The triangle is perfectly balanced and the ratio between the three is ideal. The Triangle Game presents you with a paragraph of text. You can then adjust the font size, line height, and line length to try to create an equilateral triangle. The game will then give you a score based on how close you were to creating a perfect triangle. Designersize is a web-based platform that generates design challenges. The challenges are based on real-world design problems, and they are designed to help you improve your skills in a variety of areas, including whiteboarding, interviewing, and design thinking. The game is easy to use. Simply create an account, and then you can start generating challenges. You can choose the difficulty level of the challenges, choose their duration, and reload challenges until you are happy with them. Designersize is a fun and engaging way to improve your design skills. So, relax, have fun, and learn something new. Type War is a game that helps you sharpen your knowledge of typefaces. The game presents you with a typeface, and your job is to choose the correct typeface. The game becomes more challenging the more you progress. Typeface is a great resource for anyone who wants to improve their skills in typefaces. One of my favorite games is I Shot the Serif. It is a fun and challenging game that tests your knowledge of typography. I Shot the Serif is a web-based game where you play as a typographer who must shoot serif fonts with a laser gun. The game is divided into levels, and each level presents you with a new set of fonts to shoot. As you progress through the game, the fonts become more difficult to identify and shoot. To play the game, simply use your mouse to aim and click on the serif fonts. If you shoot a serif font, it will be destroyed. If you shoot a sans serif font, nothing will happen. Color is a fun and challenging game that tests your color perception. The game presents you with a color, and you must identify the matching hue from multiple choices in a few seconds. The game gets progressively harder as more choices are given and the difference between hues lessens. The game is also a great way to learn more about color theory. Pixackly is a fun and challenging game that tests your ability to eyeball pixel dimensions. It is a game where you are presented with a pixel grid and must draw a box that matches the dimensions given. The game gets progressively harder as the pixel grids become larger. Pixackly is simple to play. Simply use your mouse to drag out a box that matches the dimensions given. If you are correct, you will score a point. If you are incorrect, you will lose a point. The game is also a great way to improve your eye-hand coordination. Finally, the big surprise. I'm excited to introduce you to What the Hex, one of the most challenging design games I've ever played. It's designed for people who want to test their knowledge of hexadecimal colors. I'm not going to lie, I've played it several times, and I've never scored higher than 0. The difficulty level can be increased to 48 colors, which is insane. Despite the challenge, I think What the Hex is a great way to learn more about hexadecimal color codes. If you're looking for a fun and challenging way to improve your design skills, I highly recommend checking it out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And let me know your favorite game in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.